So I'm using a medium worsted yarn and a 6mm crochet hook for this project. I'm gonna start by making a magic loop. I'm gonna chain 2, six single crochet in the first chain from the hook. Okay, and I'm gonna join with a slip stitch. I'm gonna chain 1 and 2 single crochet in every stitch. I'm gonna join to the top of the initial chain 1. Now I'm gonna start the round of the shell stitch. Chain 1, single crochet in the first stitch, skip 2, 5 double crochet in the next stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip 2, single crochet in the next stitch, skip 2 again and again 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip 2 and then join on top of the beginning single crochet. So you see it's not flat, it's like this. We're gonna flatten it with a single crochet around. So chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitch. And join to the beginning single crochet. This is how it looks so far. Now again we're gonna make the shell stitch round. Chain 1, single crochet in the first stitch, skip 2 and repeat 5 double crochet. We're gonna do this for the entire round. Again, don't forget to look at the written pattern to follow properly the rounds. So for the next round, the shell stitch round, I'm gonna chain 3, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2, single crochet skip 2, 5 double crochet, a shell stitch, skip 2, single crochet, again skip 2, 5 double crochet, and the last shell is done. I'm gonna join with the slip stitch in the beginning of the single crochet, and this is how it looks so far. Again, the next round will be 2 single crochet in every stitch, so chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitch, and join. So it'll be the same for the total of the first 8 rounds. 2 rounds of single crochet, 1 round of shell stitch, next round 2 single crochet in every stitch, and you'll do the same till the round 8. After round 8 we'll start only with shell stitch in each row, in each round. So I'll come back and show you what to do next. So this is the end of the single crochet round, and I'm gonna join, and this is how it is so far. So the next round will be a shell stitch, and from that point all the rounds for the next 10 rounds will be shell stitch only, no single crochet round, only rounds of shell stitch. So I'm gonna chain 1 single crochet in the first stitch, skip 2, and again the same thing. And because the next round of shell stitch will be a bit differently, I'm gonna show you how to make it only in the first row, so you know how to make it in each rounds without a mistake. Because if this first round is started with a single crochet, the next round will start with a shell stitch, and the next round will start with a single crochet. I'm gonna finish this and come back to show you. So now the next round will be again shell stitch like we said. So in the previous round of shell stitch I did chain 1 single crochet and then the shell. Now I'm gonna chain 3, two double crochet in the same stitch as chain 3, skip 2, and single crochet on top of the shell stitch, the next one, skip 2, a shell stitch, which is 5 double crochet. So this is what we're gonna do for the next 10 rounds. So like we said, when the round starts with a single crochet, the next will be a shell stitch. If the round starts with the shell stitch, if the previous round is a single crochet, the next round will be a half shell stitch, 3 double crochet, not 5. Okay, and we'll continue. I'll come back later on to show you how to shape the brim for the bucket hat. So here I have finished 10 rounds of shell stitch, and now we're gonna start by shaping the brim. So for that I'm gonna make a single crochet row again. So I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 in the next one, 1 in the next one. We'll keep the same 2 1 2 1 till the end of the round. So now again from the next row for 5 rounds. From the next round for 5 rounds I'm gonna make again the shell stitch, the same as we did here. So this is the increased shape, the brim only. So again, chain 1, single crochet in the first stitch, skip 2 and a shell. Same for every round for 5 rounds. Single crochet, and then once you come back here for the next row, it will be chain 3, 2 double crochet, skip 2 single crochet, and when at the end of that round you'll add 2 more double crochet to complete the shell. So I hope the tutorial is clear. Have a look at the written pattern to help you with the video as well. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.